Racism don't work without black cooperation. This is Ray Lewis and Shorty. Number 52. You got 52 members of the Democratic Party that participate in racism. Like I said, racism don't work without black cooperation. And I got Ray Lewis behind me in this conversation. It's the gathering. It's the good in the hood. It's the homeless program because y'all don't do nothing for homeless people. All right. More information. Contact Dwayne G. Davis. All right. That's my contact information. It's making a movie and a documentary about race and racism. That's February 28th, 2019. That's Johnny Oleski, and that's the Department of Justice. Assistant Attorney General. I'm writing you in reference to Dwayne Shorty Davis. I have met Mr. Davis on several occasions over the past year, and he has expressed concern about a number of issues that could fall under your purview. I'm requesting that you and your staff take another look. All right? That's the Johnny Oleski in 2019. That's Johnny Oleski. That's Ray Lewis. Like I said, I was making a movie. That's part 1. This is part 2. And that's the NAACP. All right? Like I say, racism don't work without black cooperation. And I'm blowing the whistle on the prison industry. I'm an advocate. I'm not a terrorist. And that's my producer, Rob Fix. I'm an activist, and this is for Tyrone West. This is for Keith Davis. This is for the activism in Baltimore, not the actorvist in Baltimore. I ain't Kwame Rose. You feel me? I ain't Kwame Rose. I'm an activist. I'm not leaders of a beautiful struggle. I'm an activist. And in my activism, social media for social change. That's Facebook. Mic check. I applied for Martin Luther King's job and y'all locked me up. This is Adrian Jones. 2019, Adrian Jones. Racism don't work without black cooperation. That's Adrian Jones, 2019. To assist you in responding quickly to your comprehensively, all right, name, address, I gave you all that. Good morning. I'm glad you accepted my email. Congratulations on your position as Speaker of the House. I gave you my application to access the grand jury last session. That's 2018. All right, 2018. Like I said, social media for social change. All right, you see that? Whistleblower's complaint, a state attorney. You feel me? Adrian Jones is protecting racism. Adrian Jones is using the position of her office to protect racism. All right, because she got all this. This is to show you what the media won't show you. This is to show you what the government won't show you. Chief Justice Roberts of the Supreme Court, Judge Bennett, Federal Court, Governor Hogan, Brian Frost, Judge Cox, Mayor Jack Young, Baltimore City Council President Brandon Scott, Johnny Oleski. You feel me? Dave Kamenetz. These are the people that got this information, and y'all won't act on it. I was kidnapped by the state. And your elected official won't do nothing about it. That's Adrian Jones. That's Adrian Jones, and that's her in Annapolis. But she don't speak up for us. Racism don't work without black cooperation. You got the haves versus the have-nots. And you've been knowing about this since 2008. You participated in my kidnapping. Like I said, I was making a movie and a documentary, and I got all my shit together. It's the Liberty Road Community Cleanup. And if you look at my Shorty program, it was about cleaning up. I gave them the Shorty program in 2006. Speaker Jones, Martin O'Malley, yeah, Bush, yeah. So today, it's all about you, Speaker Jones, and how you don't serve the community. Speaker Jones was in the room when I confronted Chief Johnson about my kidnapping. Speaker Jones is a witness and has knowledge. Do your job or lose your job. You can be charged with co-conspirator because you participated in the fraud. We're getting ready to clean up the Democratic Party today. So you're going to see me at this event.